Hi, I'm Ola from Easy Living Furniture and this is the Menorca Lounge Set. In the Menorca Lounge Set we will find 2 chairs and a table. This is the perfect little set for your balcony, garden or patio. It is small in size but it's very trendy and practical. The Menorca table and chairs feature a durable iron frame which is black in colour. The iron frame is then complemented with a flat wicker which is incredibly durable and requires no maintenance. We also have a weather-resistant seat cushion that is grey in colour and adds a great contrast to the iron and the wicker. The table is topped with a sheet of scratch and heat-resistant tempered glass for extra protection. Available for in-store click and collect or home delivery, shop the Menorca Lounge Set now by adding to cart here or visiting one of our stores.